Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video on Megaland. If you're new here, make sure you like this video, hit that subscribe button, and turn your push notification on so you get notified every time we
upload a video.
Hey, we're going to the crossing outlet in the Poconos. Yeah, we're heading there now. We'll see you guys over there. About the crossings now.
We need to get a bathing suit for not only Miss Lily, but little baby Ellie. Today was a long day, and I realized it's more because we went to the pool.
Yeah.
You got to see us go to the pool, then we cooked, everyone enjoyed the pasta.
But yeah, anyway guys, thank you guys for watching the video. As always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and put that bell on to get notifications every time we upload a video. And then don't forget to follow us on Instagram at official_Megaland to interact with us some more and see how we're doing on a daily basis. We'll see you guys in the next one. Later, guys.